I've never commented, so you're not going to get anything from me.
I had asked you that, have you seen Basic Race poster, and you told me you haven't. So did you get the time to see the poster?
Yes, I have.
So how did you like it?
I loved it. I'm a huge fan. I think we've all grown up watching Yash Raj movies. I think Adi, in that sense, is someone who's always brought something fresh and something new. And I think today everything boils down to that first look. And I think it was fresh. I think it was really fresh. And as an audience, it's definitely a movie that I'd want to watch first day for sure.
Deepika has allowed Ranveer to do 23 kisses in the film. So what do you have to say about that?
I'm completely clueless about all of this. I'm completely clueless. And it's interesting, a lot of times, most often in fact, I choose not to clarify a lot of the things that are said. And I'm going to allow for it to be that way. It's interesting how, I've been seeing how like one story starts and then which is completely untrue, and then there's a version of that which is also untrue. So it's interesting. I like watching it. I like to see how the course that it takes. It's very amusing. I have to say it's extremely amusing. But it is what it is.
And you must have heard another versions of like the follow-up of these stories as well. That you went to Paris and met Ranveer and had a secret vacation kind of a thing. Even that's been written about.
Like I said, I've never commented, so you're not going to get anything from me.
Would you believe that censorship is required, and censorship is something which people need? At the end of the day, isn't rating a better thing?
I do understand that creatively we need to be given some space a little bit, but on the other hand, I also know, of course there's various other issues that as a nation we need to deal with, and much more important pressing issues that we need to discuss at this point. But I also do understand the impact films have on people and on society. So I think it's open to debate. I don't think I have a one-sided take on it right now. I'm being completely honest. I think I understand both sides of what we're trying to make, and I also feel sometimes like creatively we should just be able to express, and we should just be able to do what we want. And if it's dealing with an issue that is an issue in one of the states, then why should we not make a movie on it? But then I also know the flip side to it, which is, you're kind of opening up the Pandora's box for so much more. And so, honestly, I don't have a take on it because I understand both sides of it.
People have been comparing you and Priyanka, and you've been saying that, okay, both of them have, signed a film. So, do you look forward to signing any series like Priyanka has?
I don't know. I think everyone has, has a different path. Like I said earlier, I think everybody has a different journey. I feel different things excite different people, and I'm proud of the work that she has done, but I'm equally proud of the work that I'm doing, and it's great. I think that it's an amazing beginning for a lot of more amazing things to happen. I can definitely guarantee you that 2017 is going to be fantastic, and it's going to start with a bang. It releases on the 20th of January as of now, and we obviously have amazing plans, because I think everything we do today is global. And that's what I was talking to the team back there. I was like, India's ready to embrace, and we always have, but I think we're ready to embrace in a much bigger way. And I feel like India is owning this movie. I think we've all been on this journey. Everyone's been so encouraging and so supportive, that for me, this movie is no different from any Indian movie that I've done, and it's going to be the same experience for my audience as well.